Hey guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, when it comes to cleaning construction tools that are filled with concrete, a lot of solutions are available, chemicals are available that you can spray and then just shrug it off. But in this video I'm going to tell you a way that you can use and without paying anything. It's like free way. You know how I'm going to do? Okay, see this tool. A few days back I did some concrete work on this, and because of my negligence concrete got in here, but I'm gonna fix it. With this an oscillating tool. What you're gonna do, like, first of all you should hold this hard. Then what you're gonna do, slowly one side is done. You can see how nicely it has. We can still do some more, and let me do it. Okay, then we'll go to the other side. Okay, now I can turn around and do the exact same thing on the other side too. Yeah. So as you can see guys, I was able to clean it nicely without paying anything for any external solution, and now it's usable and I can use in construction further. So that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.